Good afternoon, students. Now let me discuss about connectives. So you know what are connectives? Connectives are also called as conjunctions or linkers, as if they join two sentences. Look at here. Look at the definition. Connectives are words joining the join phrases or parts of sentences. They are the words that join two phrases or two parts of a sentences. Let me give a small example of that. She typed the letter and sent it to the principal. Here, she typed the letter. It's one sentence. It's one part of sentence. Next, sent it to the principal. It's the next part. So these connectives, they connect these two parts of a sentence and going to give as a complete sentence. She typed the letter and sent it to the principal. So two parts of sentence connected together to form a sentence, one complete sentence. So such they are called connectives or conjunctions or linkers as they are connecting. Here I had written some examples. So some connectives, what are they? And, therefore, however, while, but, or. So many. You have so many of that. So I had given few examples, few connectives. And these connectives are called as some conjunctions or connectives that join two parts of a sentence are called coordinating conjunctions. What are they called? Coordinating conjunction. Whereas even you have subordinating conjunctions. Let me give some examples of that. Either or, neither nor, both, and, not only but also. So these such type of conjunctions are called as subordinating conjunctions. Once again, here, look at here. Conjunctions or linkers or connectives. So they are joining. They join. These words join to two parts of a sentence and make that into a complete sentence. Make it into a complete sentence. So joining phrases or something. So here coordinating conjunctions. So what are they? They join two parts of a sentence, but they are called as coordinating conjunctions. But whereas coming to subordinate, look at here, subordinating connectives. So these connectives, they connect clauses. What are they? Subordinating connectives. What are those connectives? Either or, neither nor, but, and, not only but also. They are called as subordinating conjunctions. What are they? Subordinating conjunction. So in your textbook you have exercises. Let me go through our exercises, your exercises, then it's very easy for you to understand what are connectives. Choose the appropriate connectives. Here, all of you write in your textbooks. Although we started late, we still arrived in time. Here, all of you note it down. First, exercise 1. In exercise 1, first option, first fill in the blank. Dash was started late. We still arrived in time. Here, all of you write it down. Although. Next, many people in the office tried to help us. They were friendly too. They were friendly. What is the blank over here? Too. I love carom. Where? I'll read out the sentence in your textbook. I love carom. Dash my friends prefer cricket. So what is the answer? Whereas. I love carom. What is the connective over here? Whereas my friends prefer cricket. Fourth one. Let me read it out. Fourth blank in your textbook. Manu wanted to watch the film. Dash, he fell asleep halfway through. So what is the answer here? Manu. But Manu wanted to watch the film, but he feels asleep halfway through. He feels. Okay, here, all of you write it down. It's but. Next, coming to next exercise, second exercise. Exercise 2. Connectives with more than one connective may be possible. Look at here. First one. In second exercise 2, first one. They took a map along. However, they lost their way. Here, all of you write it down. However. First blank is however. Write it down in your textbooks. Next, she had sprained her ankle. In spite, here what is the blank over here? In spite. In spite of that, she managed to participate in the dance competition. In spite of, it's a connective. It's a linker word, connective word. Next, coming to third one. My handwriting, all of you note it down, it's exercise 2. My handwriting is terrible. But, it's a blank. But my sister's handwriting is beautiful. Okay? Next, coming to fourth. She came late to the exam hall. In addition, it's a blank here. In addition, she forgot to bring a pen. Next, fifth one. He is a bad driver. At here, what is the answer? At he hasn't had any accidents. So here the connectives are connecting the sentences. Look at here. Two parts of a sentences. He is a bad driver. At he hasn't had any accidents. Got it? So here at is connecting these two. So it's called as connectives. Next, coming to exercise 3. Link the sentence in a logical way with an appropriate connectives. Don't repeat the connectives. This is the heading of your exercise 3. Okay, coming to first one. The firm was doing badly. It was closed. So, let me say exercise 3. Here, yes. The firm was doing badly. It was closed. Here, link the sentences in a logical way with an appropriate connectives. So, what is the first one? The firm was doing badly. It was closed. One second, let me read it out. What is there in your textbook? The firm was doing badly. It was closed. So, what is the answer over there? Since the firm was doing badly, it was closed. Actually, sentence is not in proper way. So, we have to correct that sentence. The firm was doing badly. It was closed. The firm, it's wrong. Since the firm was doing badly, since it was closed. Next, coming to here, all of you write the answer as since the firm was doing badly, comma, it should be kept small I. It was closed. Since the firm was doing badly, comma, it was closed. Okay, na? I repeated twice. Note it down properly. Next, it is your money. You can do what you like with it. What is the answer over there? Since it is your money, you can do what you like with it. So, since it is your money. So, here sentence is in wrong. It is not in a proper way. Okay, we have to correct it. Third one, the program was cancelled. All the tickets had been sold out. Although all the tickets were sold. Here, answer for third question. Although all the tickets were sold out, the program was cancelled. So, write this answer to the third question. Fourth question. It's very hot. Turn on the air condition. Turn on the air condition. So, turn on the air condition. They are saying to on the air condition. Since it is very hot, turn on the air condition. So, since. Next, this is fourth question answer. Fifth one, I slipped and fell. I fractured my knee joint. I fractured my knee joint as I slipped and fell. So here, write it down. They are your answers. Next, once again I will say. Fifth answer. I slipped and question. What is the question? I slipped and fell. I slipped and fell. I fractured my knee joint. So here, what is the answer over here? I fractured my knee joint as I slipped and fell. Okay, that is the answer to that question. Next one. Next, fourth exercise. Read the sentences and correct the errors in the use of connectives. So, error, finding out errors and correcting them. I will call you wherever I have the results. Here, wherever is wrong. It's a wrong connective. So, it's a wrong connective word. So, write it down whenever. Next, second one. You keep my books when you like. It's wrong. When is not correct connective. It's a wrong connective. It's a wrong connective word. So, as long as. My sister went shopping. Moreover, she did not buy anything. Here, moreover, instead of moreover, write it down although. Next, fourth one. My nephew is good at language. Here, let me read it out question. I did not write question. I'll read it out from textbook. My nephew is good at language because my niece is good at maths. So, what is the correction over here? Whereas. Because. Instead of because, here, write it down. Whereas. In the question, he had given because. See your textbook. In your textbook, you are going to see this question. Instead of because, in answer, write it down whereas. Next, coming to fifth one. It was getting late, though the guest did not leave. It was getting late. But, instead of though, write it down but. Okay? Completed. All of you. Do your exercise in your textbooks. These are your connectives.